Each role's taught me something different, and all those episodes added up to who I am today. Lean into this chapter. Have you ever had those I wish someone had told me moments? Looking back at my 20s, I realized I've spent so much time stressing over the wrong things, saying yes too often, doubting myself, and trying to figure everything out on my own. In this video, I want to share 3 lessons that I learned the hard way, so you don't have to. My hope is that these insights help you navigate the tough parts easier and get to where you want to be in life faster. By the end of this video, you'll walk away with real practical advice that you can start using right now. Lesson 1. Your worth isn't measured by how many yeses you say. I used to think saying yes to everything would make people like me. Invitations, favors, extra work, you name it. I said yes. In my 20-something mind, I thought that was how you prove you're good enough to fit in. But you know what I learned? People don't like you more because you keep saying yes. Learning how to set boundaries honestly changed my life. Saying no doesn't make you rude or selfish. It just makes you honest. And the people who actually care, they'll respect you even more when you respect yourself. There's one time I said yes to a movie Groupon because I didn't want to feel missed out. And the funny part is, I didn't even like that movie. After a bunch of yeses, I finally said no for once because my wallet was crying. And guess what happened? They just asked somebody else instead. That's when it hit me. I was never as needed as I thought. So here's the truth. Saying yes doesn't add value to who you are. It has nothing to do with how much people like you. Just be you. The right people will find you anyway. Lesson 2. Validate yourself. Don't wait for other people to validate you. This is another thing I wish I knew sooner. Stop chasing for external validation. Believe it or not, I used to need compliments and likes to feel okay, just to know that I'm good enough. But it never lasted. And honestly, in the long run, it made me second guess myself like all the time. Self-validation is about saying I'm good enough to myself without waiting for someone else to confirm it. It's noticing your own effort, celebrating small wins, and giving yourself credit where it's due. One little trick I use is I set my own metrics. Like if I get this task done today, I call it a win. Sometimes self-validation is as simple as telling myself, I had a productive day. Good job. And hey, if you're curious about the small steps and plans I make with myself in daily life, I put my video right here or in the description box. Go check it out. I think you'll like it. And the last lesson I would like to share in this video is embrace this chapter. Your 20s are for exploring and figuring yourself out. Think of it as a chapter for curiosity and experimentation. This is a stage where you test things out. Your likes, your dislikes, your hobbies, your values, and your purposes. For me, I honestly went crazy during this chapter. I had all kinds of jobs. Lifeguard, swimming coach, waitress, fitness coach, store manager, HR, tutor, and now I'm a school teacher. Each role's taught me something different, and all those episodes added up to who I am today. So push yourself outside your comfort zone. Lean into this chapter. Be curious, take risks, and don't be afraid to fail. Even failing teaches us something. And all this is a part of figuring yourself out. And for the last couple of minutes for a video, before you click away, grab a pen and a notebook, or even your phone. Seriously. Ask yourself, where in my life am I saying yes when I actually want to say no? How often do I rely on others to tell me I'm good enough? What's one thing I've been afraid to try, but honestly want to do? Take a moment and write your answers down. Be honest with yourself. Anyway, I hope this video helps you feel a little braver, a little lighter, and a little more in control of your life. And if you want to go a little deeper on self-validation, go check out my video. It's right here. See you next time.